What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today I'm going to show you how to use the effects on your RPM47. Each channel also has an effects knob that we can use with either the DSP effects or the external FX loop on the back of the mixer. First, let's take a look at the DSP section here, where we can choose from 24 different effects to use with any of our channels. For this section, we have the program knob where we can choose any of these effects by scrolling through. And once you find the effect you want to use, you're going to push this button down to select the effect. Next to that, we have the parameter knob, which acts as our dry-wet ratio, so we can choose how much of the effect we want present. And then we have the DSP to main knob, which will bring the effects through the main mix out of our speakers. So I'll demonstrate again here with my microphone to show you how the effects works. So let's say I have my microphone here and I want to use the effects with the mic. I'm going to go to the DSP section and make sure that the parameter knob and the DSP to main knob are turned up. And you can mix these to your liking, so if you want to go halfway, if you want to go a little below or above, that's really up to you and the sound that you want. And then I'm going to raise the effects knob on the channel that my mic is on. So I'm going to raise that right now. Check 1, 2, check 1, 2. And now you'll hear the effect on my voice. So now let's go through all of the different effects we can use, starting with effect number 1, which is Hall 1. And as you can hear, it's a pretty spacious reverb. Hello! Hello! Next we have Hall 2, hello, hello, also pretty spacious. Next we have Room 1 for effect number 3, hello, hello. Next we have number 4, which is Room 2, hello, hello, very cool. Next we have a plate reverb on number 5, hello, hello. Then we have number 6, which is Large Stage, hello, hello, hello. Then we have small stage for number 7, hello, hello. Then we have reverb 1 for number 8, hello, hello. We have reverb 2 for number 9, hello, hello. That's a spacey one. Then we have reverb 3 on number 10, hello, hello, cool. Next we have number 11, which is the single delay, hello, hello, hello. Now you hear my voice being delayed between each speaker, which is really cool. And then we have a long delay on number 12. Hello, 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 hello. Next we have effect 13, which is a vocal echo. Hello, 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 hello. Then we have a karaoke echo on number 14. Hello, hello. Nice. Next we have number 15, which is our phaser effect. Hello, hello. Very cool. Next to that, we have a flanger. Hello, hello, very trippy. Next, we have chorus 1 on effect 17. Hello, hello, hello. Then we have chorus number 2. Hello, hello, very trippy, very cool. Next, we have an ambient reverb on number 19. Hello, very ambient. Hello. Next we have a tremolo on number 20, and this might be more noticeable when you hold out a note. Hello, hello. Next we have a wah-wah effect, and this is more noticeable again if you hold out a note. Wah, wah. It almost makes it sound like you're a record that's skipping. Next we have a radio effect. Hello, hello, hello. This one's cool. Next we have a radio voice effect, hello, hello. And lastly we have a pitch shift effect where we can use the parameter knob to change the pitch of our voice. So for example, if I raised it all the way up, check 1, 2, check 1, 2, it brings my voice to a higher pitch, hello, hello. Then I can bring it all the way down to pitch my voice lower, hello, hello, hello. And then I can set it anywhere in between, and it will also affect the pitch of my voice. Now on the back of the mixer, we also have an external effects loop in case we didn't want to use any of the effects built into the mixer. So to set up an external effect to the mixer, you're going to take a 1/4" cable and plug one end into the send of the effects loop, then plug that other end into the input of your effect. Then to send the effect back to the mixer, you're going to take another 1/4" cable and plug one end into the output of the effect, then plug the other end into the return on your mixer. Next, we're gonna raise the effects loop return on the mixer, and then we can use the effects knob on whichever channel we want affected by the outside effects. So hopefully this showed you guys how easy it is to use the effects with your RPM47. But of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.